Number 18 ng Saints. Foul. Sub ref. 18 out ng Saints. Number 4, in. De La Cruz. 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. De La Cruz tumira, wala. Jump ball. Cubs ball. Same ball. Rivera, pass to Biaso tumira, wala. Nakuha na nila sa bola, Canlas, pinasa kay De La Cruz, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Rivera ang bola, Rivera, pass to Pacardo, pass to De La Cruz, pass to Silverio, pass to De La Cruz, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Rivera ang bola, tumira, air ball, pass to Jacinto. 5 and 30 seconds remaining. Cubs ball. Obet, pumunta ka daw dito sa loob ng court. De La Cruz. Pass to Rivera, counted. Number 4, foul. Body shot. Body shot, it's no good. Nakuha ni Jacinto ang bola. Jacinto, dribbling the ball. Pass to Canlas. De La Cruz, pass to Canlas. Tumira, pasok. 5 minutes exactly. Yes, sir. Pass to Pacardo, pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Jacinto, pinasa kay De La Cruz, fade away shot. Wala, natapik. Saints ball. Canlas, inbound by Canlas. Pass to De Guzman, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Canlas, tumira, wala agad. Pacardo, foul. Number 24.
Lasing eh.
Penalty rep. Penalty.
Walang palitan.
Free throw. First throw. It's good. Second throw. It's so good. Nakuha ni Yao Ming. Pass to Gonzales, pass to Cruz, pass to Canlas, pass to Gonzales, tumira, air ball, nakuha ni Jacinto, tumira, nakuha ni De La Cruz, tumira, wala, nakuha ni jump ball, Saints ball. De La Cruz, tumira, pasok, taas lang kami nakashoot. Mas mobra takbo mo, pare. Pacardo. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Silverio. Tumira. Pasok. De La Cruz. 46-42. Favor Cubs. Jacinto. Pass to Canlas, tumira, wala. Nakuha De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Canlas, pass to Jacinto, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Rivera ang bola. Rivera, giving the ball Pass to Pacardo. Biaso. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Pacardo. Oops, nakatagay ni Canlas. Pass. Tumira. It's no good. Silverio. Silverio. Hop, foul. Foul, ref. Number 7. Foul. 3 minutes.